People do understand, don't they? Today, do not go by the pictures alone. Don't go by the fragrances alone. Do not go by the winds and breeze alone. And don't go by the dal bhat alone. I was thinking like that. Not a poetry really. But surprisingly and also by chance, I came across a poem written by the Welsh poet Thomas Dylan, Dylan Thomas. Do not go gentle into that good night. Do not go gentle into that good night. Old age should burn and rave at close of day. Rage, rage against dying of the light. Wise men at their end, no dark is right, because their words had forked, no lighting. They do not go gentle into that good night. Good men the last wave by, crying how bright their frail deeds might have danced in the green bay. Rage, rage, rage against dying of the light. This poem is not complete. Of course, if you like, you can read all of it. I don't want to bore you. This was written by this poet, Dylan Thomas. He died at the age of 38 only. He used to drink a huge amount of alcohol. He had a his father was a teacher and he used to write poetry since very young age. And this poem, this particular poem was written by him when his father was very sick on the deathbed. This is what I read today, and also I read another one, the great Charles Chaplin. I read about his history, about his biography, and how much he has given, how much he have done. We do not know much. We just think he is just a comic. But there is a lot of things. He married 4 or 5 times. He had 13, 14 children. And one of his child, Geraldine Chaplin, she became a very famous Hollywood star. He relinquished America because he had some problem. Americans thought he is a communist. And at that time, during the World War II, this was there. And even J. Edgar Hoover did not want him to remain in America. He gave up America later on. Much later, he was invited for special awards. And it says people clapped for 12 minutes when he was on stage. So once you read about this, you become totally, maybe in a way you become exhausted. Don't go by the pictures. I have put pictures in this one. Don't go by the pictures alone. Pictures are just something which represent, which show, which encase, which portray maybe 1,000 words. Yes, and they have a meaning, very sublime, very, catching, and also maybe very obvious at times. So don't go by the pictures alone. I may put a music into it, some music, background music. If you like, fine. If you don't like, fine. I do this. I'm doing it today. Hope you have a nice time. Now the weather is fair, weather is less dusty. Enjoy, have some Roxy, and have a good day. Thank you very much. God bless you.
दर्द मोहब्बत का इतना साहिब अफसाना, बेदर्द मोहब्बत का इतना साहिब अफसाना, नजरों से मिली नजरें मैं हो गया दीवाना। अब दिल के बहलने की तकदीर नहीं बन